Welcome! If you've ever wanted to find every comment you've made on Instagram sorted by date using your PC and the latest Instagram update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to access your entire comment history, filter it by specific dates, and quickly find exactly what you're looking for. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC and log into your account. Once you're on the main page, look to the left side of your screen for the menu icon. Click on it to expand your options. From the menu, find and select Your Activity. This is the hub where Instagram keeps a record of everything you've done on the platform, including posts you've liked, comments you've left, and more. Inside your activity, scroll down to the Interaction section. Here, you'll see a list of different types of interactions. Click on Comments. This will bring up a list of every comment you've made across Instagram, organized from newest to oldest. Now here's where the new update makes things even easier. At the top of the comments page, you'll see a button labeled Sort and Filter. Click on it. You'll now have the option to choose a specific date range for your comments. Select the start and end dates you're interested in. Maybe you want to revisit comments from last month or even years ago. Once you've chosen your dates, click Apply. Instantly, Instagram will filter your comments, showing only those that match your chosen time frame. This is perfect for finding a specific comment, reviewing your interactions over time, or simply staying organized. And that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can now view, sort, and filter your entire Instagram comment history by date, all from your PC. Whether you want to revisit an old conversation, clean up your comment history, or just keep track of your activity, these steps make it quick and efficient. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing!